Hi, my name is Tamara Anderson, and I live in Olympia, Washington. This is my family. This is the Anderson family, and I, with my husband Dale, have four children: Julie, Bailana, Dale, and Brendan. And currently, Julie's attending BYU Provo. She's an elementary education major and has a year left. Bailana is going to be graduating with a biology degree from St. Martin's University here in Lacey, Washington, and hopes to go on to medical school maybe in about a year. Dale is Elder Anderson right now. He's serving in the Utah Provo mission, somewhere down by Price in Orangeville, Castledale, Utah. And Brendan is a sophomore in high school and plans to be going to Running Start at one of our community colleges here in Olympia, Washington. And my husband works as a software developer and works out of our home, so he's pretty lucky to do that. Moving on, this is my first attempt at a Prezi, so pretty cool. We're going to move on and see if I can keep going. This is the great, wonderful blooming trees downtown in Olympia. There are beautiful cherry blossoms down at Heritage Park. The Capitol building's there in the background. That's a walk that my daughter and I went on for my birthday last year. It was just a gorgeous day. One thing that I really enjoy doing for my birthday is going frog hunting. It's hilarious, but it's a long honored and wonderful tradition. We have wonderful tree frogs. I guess they're tree frogs. I don't know. I catch them in water, but it's hilarious. And I had some friends go with me, and we have a blast. So it's fun, and it's kind of gross, and you don't want to look in the water because the water's pretty disgusting, but it's fun. Anywho, that's one thing that I like doing that's a little quirky and weird. I work at an elementary school here in Lacey, Washington. I've been doing that for about 6 years. Before that, I substituted for about 6 or 7 years. I love my job. I work as a playground duty, so I get a lot of hey duty. So I really don't enjoy being called that. I really like the teachers that call me a playground coach. That's kind of a cool title that I enjoy. But it's a lot of fun. I know about 650 students. I know most of their names about this time of year. I know most of them I don't know about maybe 30 or 40 names. I don't know them, but I know them. I just don't know their names. I really enjoy the staff that I work with. They're wonderful, caring, and very good to their students as well as myself. So, it's a great school to work at. It rains a lot where I live in Olympia, Washington. We're just starting our spring right now. We've just had a long stretch of rain that we're kind of coming out of, so I'm happy that we're getting into some wonderful sunshine. That's when I love my job, especially when it's getting warm. I like to goof around a lot. My family has a family Snapchat that we all, we live in different areas. So, well, not my son, he's on his mission, but when he was on his phone a bit, I figure, keeping up with technology is kind of fun, but we goof around a lot. And so I had braces last year, and the filters in Snapchat are hilarious. So we just goof around, have fun, and they do funny things. I do funny things. We have a good time. So when I got my braces off, seriously, I felt like I had horse teeth, and they were very slimy. They are still pretty slimy, but I'm glad they're off. My teeth are awesome. It's totally worth it. If you're thinking about getting braces in it as an adult, go do it. It's really cool. Let's see. I think I have one more awesome slide with a bunch of things. Let's see. I really like springtime in the Northwest. The cherry blossoms are awesome. We have some fabulous blooming bushes. We have rhododendrons and azaleas and just some really beautiful flowers. We love going to the beach. I couldn't find baseball pictures, but we love going to the Mariners games. We have a couple of cats that we've adopted the last year, which we adore. They're hilarious and a lot of fun. I also have sung in a community choir the last 5 or 6 years. I started with singing Beethoven's Ode to Joy in the Ninth Symphony and ended my career because the choir shut down last night, actually singing the same Ode to Joy. So that was actually really cool. But that's all finished up. What was really cool about that is that I was able to sing with my daughter Bailana, my son Dale, and my husband Dale. We all auditioned and made the choir, so that was a privilege to sing with them. Also, we're a big scouting family. That big mess of toys, that's Toys for Tots that we always participate in every December that comes around. The Marines headed off, and it just so happens that some of the dads are Marines in our troop, and so we got hooked up with them, and we just love helping out, organizing and shopping for toys for families, and then handing out the toys for the families. It's a lot of fun. That's a little bit about me. I can't wait to get to know some of you. I hope this video works. I have to say, this is a first for me. It's kind of exciting. So anyway, onward and upward, and we'll talk to you all later. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye. I don't know how to turn this off. Let me see. Hopefully you've stopped it by now.